Cik je kena sweet. Okay.
Okay. Lời thực ngọt đẹp.
Bây giờ chưa tục tịch. Mấy cánh?
Số lót kan?
Lạ chưa?
Almost finished, baby. Man.
Mưa má. Nói đó, nói. Mới bị thiên tiếp.
Massage, sức massage.
Okay. Wait, no.
You have unfinished business to clear. Okay. Let's do it. So dark. Almost done. Hold on, baby.
Nhắm tích hai. Cái này. Cái này.
Look at the way she sit on her. You can see she very small, but she the best hunter. She can catch lizard and snake. Everything that crawling around the house, she can hunt it down. No rat, no snake around our house because of her. She is the best hunter.
Keluar tiga kan
She doesn't like to be wet with the wet tissue. But she always come to sleep outside on the grass with sticky grass stuck all over her body.
Mấy chút bố mà, này mơ là bố ôn nè. Bố ôn chi ấy nè. Mami mama.
Money. Oh, everything is clean now. You are free to go everywhere. No worry of having children, having more kitty. You will be more healthy.
Mami đặt chân máy ai cần.
Look, she likes to play here too. Okay, here we go. Now I will show you how different the ear of cat who living indoor with the cat living outdoor. The last part of the video I show you of the cat living outdoor, but now here her ear is very clean. It's all way with oily but no dust because she's sleeping on the bed.
Mà con biết chị kia là ó nè.
Wow, so shiny, so handsome. Yeah, just sticky, oily thing, but no dusty. Nothing black come out like the last one. Look at her. Bằng một chồng. Cân mà. Oh baby, just show them the part. Her ear is cleaner than my ear. Honestly, her ear very clean. She have a sister always licking and cleaning her ear, cleaning all her body. That's why she look very clean, everything very clean. She living indoor all the time and sleeping on my bed. She literally my baby. She is my baby. I love her so much.
Mà chưa được chết đi mà con. Mở. Ông bố mi mơ miệt ồn nè, mơ miệt ồn nè.
How old are you, baby?
Yeah.
This month is 1 year old.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 year old.
Mà cho miệt số ông bố mi mà con. Miệt số ông bố mi.
She is a baby, a kitty of her. That's her mommy. Meow. Đáng. The mommy is smaller than her now.
A baby thông tin mommy. Con này. Thực. Con.
Hey, baby. Hey, love. Hey, love.
Chắc lấy môi mà sao?
Thả môi má. Here, this is the mommy. It's smaller than her now.
Go.